executive dictatorship, but we are increasingly seeing what is appearing as legislative dictatorship. We know that you have the numbers, but have your way as we have our say. But where you use standing orders to keep stifling our voices, it's not a good thing, especially when you have, Chair, you have a very good bill. Let members speak to it. The world is not ending tomorrow or the day after. Let us talk to them. Let us add value. I don't see why we are rushing like we are worried. Chair, there's also the issue of the quacks. And I want to thank Honorable Mayaka for raising that issue. That through this bill, we will bring an amendment to ensure that we don't have everybody dispensing drugs aimlessly. Madam Speaker, we know that there are many, many young girls who are dying because of abortions, especially unsafe abortions, and girls who are given drugs by people who are not qualified. And when we actually make it so easy for people to dispense who are not qualified, then we are actually creating a problem. Even, Chair, another thing that I saw that was of concern to me is the issue of giving one of the qualifications for the CEO is that the CEO should be an engineer. I don't understand why the CEO should be an engineer when you are dealing with the drugs. What engineering do they need? Because even though we are dealing also with the devices, you actually do notice that most of it is about drugs. One of my proposed amendments was either you separate it so that it is not about devices, it's only drugs. But if it is drugs and devices, then we actually need to bring an amendment even to the name of this bill so that it's Kenya Drugs and Devices Bill. Otherwise, this is a very good bill, and I want to yet again congratulate the chairman and the committee for this bill. I do support, and once again, urge the leadership to avoid legislative dictatorship. We are members, we also represent constituents, and I cannot bring an amendment that harms my own constituent. Thank you, I support.
Honorable Rashid Benziba, member for Kisauni.
Madam Speaker, ni kushukuru kwa kunipa nafasi pia mimi kupenyeza sauti yangu, ingawa